1 kiwi, almond slices, coconut flakes, and strawberries.
The supplies you'll need are a cutting board, a buttered knife, measuring spoons and measuring cups, a serving bowl, and just a regular spoon. Let's get started. In your serving bowl, measure out half a cup of plain Greek yogurt and set it aside.
On your cutting board, remove the stems from your strawberries and slice them up.
Slice your kiwi in half and use the spoon to cut out the center and dice it up. Now you'll dice up your kiwi.
Last step, combine and